Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can assign a new ID to list of names. I have uploaded a video before for the same purpose. Say it was like this. Say if you have names like say Paul, Charles, Ricky, like that, and we could assign a number automatically. Say here for Paul Dickens we assigned 1, and here we put the formula and we incremented that number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that for the new names. But I received a lot of comments from the viewers asking me if this list is not sorted, what happens? Because in this case, say after Paul we have Charles. Suppose if the same Charles is repeated again, then it should get the number 2, the ID 2, but it is giving a new ID. Let us put this Charles somewhere here in between, maybe after we keep pointing here. So it is going to assign a new ID for the same name. So that's not correct, right? So this is what the viewers pointed to me. So I am coming with a new video that will fix this error. So here we have names like Rohit, Virat, Sachin. So this is not in a sorted order. So after Rohit there is Virat, and again in between there is Sachin, and again the Rohit is repeated. That means if I assign an ID here, say 1, wherever Rohit is there, that should assign 1, and this is Rohit, and there is here also. For other names, the next name, there should be 2, and the same 2 should be assigned to Virat here as well. Let us see how we can do that. To start with, we'll assign a ID 1 to the first name here, and we'll put the formula in the second row. Let us start the formula. So logic should be, if this name is appearing before this, we should look for the same ID and put the number here. If this name is not appearing before, suppose if I am writing for Virat, if the number is not appearing, that means I should get the last number in this range. That means the maximum of this number, and we'll increment by 1 to get the next number. That means this is the 1. So that I should get 2 here for the new names. To make it easier, I'm going to start the formula from this row, not from here. So here we'll say equals if count if, what is the range? This range. This is the range. And here this should not change, right? This A2 should be constant and only this should be incremented. So we'll lock this. Locking is, we'll put the $sign here. So this is the range, and here what we are going to search? We are going to search this count, and if this is equal to 1, what it is going to do? This is going to do the count of this name, the Virat in this list. So if this equals to 1, that means what? This name is new one, right? This is new. Just I will put in the new. And if it is not new, that means it is just old. So I'm just closing the bracket and press enter. That means what? Virat is new. And let us drag the same formula here. So Rohit, it is showing you old, and here Virat, that means Virat is appearing before that. Sachin is new, that means here we should get the new number, and Kumble is new, Dravid is new, and these all again repeated. In the next step, we'll replace this new with the new number. So instead of new, what should come here is the last ID plus 1, correct? So let us change this part of the formula. So here we'll say maximum of this range, and again here we'll lock the second row, maximum of this and plus 1, right? So that will give you the new number. So we got 2. Same formula if we copy it down. So we are going to get 3 for Sachin, Kumble 4, and Dravid 5. Since Dravid is repeated, so it's giving me old. Replace this old with the exact number. For Sachin we got 3 here. Again Rohit old, that means we should get 1 here. And for Virat old, it says that means Virat we already assigned 2, that should come here. So we'll replace that. Instead of writing here formula, I will write here, then we can copy the same formula above also. So in the old, what we should be doing is we'll use the VLOOKUP and we'll search this name. In the range, we'll take both the columns and we'll log this second row, and this is the range, and which one we should be returning? The second column, right? Because ID we want, and this should be exact match, and we'll close the bracket here and press enter. We got as 1 here, and because for Rohit it is 1 here, right? Same 1 is repeated here. We'll copy the formula from here to everywhere. Here formula is returning 1 for Rohit everywhere. Here 1, here 1, here 1, and here also same 1 is repeated. Same for Virat, it is 2 here, again 2 here. And if I am going to copy the same formula down, say I am copying down, there's nothing is here, that is why it is giving NA. If I put say Virat here, so it should assign what? It should assign 2. So it's returning. Same way if I write Dravid again, so it should assign 5. So instead of Dravid, if I say Sachin, so it should assign what? It should be assigned 3, right? This is how you can get the IDs assigned for the list of items which may not be sorted. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive similar videos. Thank you and see you again.